Today I am diving into my fully custom-made luxurious 100% human hair wig from the company called WigShe that is surprisingly affordable. By the end of this video I'll give you an overview of the pros and cons of this wig. Also I will show you how the wig looks outside in the sunlight and give you my 10% discount promo code. Stay tuned! WigShe offers high-quality hairpieces at affordable prices. Additionally, you can create your own custom wig by sending picture references, giving you the flexibility to achieve your desired look. This is exactly what I did, and now let's do the unpacking and see the result. Here we have a nice thank you card, a wig grip specially designed for lace front wigs, which is a must-have in my opinion for a secure fit of a wig, and of course the wig itself. The cap construction of this wig is lace front, which means that individual hair strands are hand-tied on the crown area and front hairline. The lace front offers a natural hairline and a possibility to part the hair in the middle or on the side of your choice. The extended lace front goes all the way from ear to ear, imitating the natural hair growth line. The rest of the cap is made with closed wefts, which are pretty stretchable, but mostly in the vertical direction. The cap features an extended nape for additional comfort and security, and bra hooks for size adjustments. There are two combs and pressure-sensitive clips on the ear tabs, but honestly I am not using them. Can't wait to try it on, but first I need to cut the lace. Guys, so I just cutted the lace. This is my first time trying on this wig and I'm just like honestly amazed, and this looks so gorgeous, and I always wanted to have this kind of hair, but I never ever was able to get it, and now finally when I see myself with this hair, this is like my dream is coming true. I'm honestly overwhelmed now. This is just amazing. And it feels amazing also. Want to try everything I can on this wig. I'm so excited, and I will do a separate video on the way you can style this wig, so please subscribe not to miss it. Let me give you a round so you can see this beautiful gorgeous wig from all the sides. I want to show you exactly which details I chose while ordering this wig. The color of the wig is custom made for me. It doesn't have a name, so if you want this color, simply choose the first option. Length, I have 20 inches length. Hair density, they have two options here, which is natural and thick. I end up ordering 120% density, which is natural, and I want to say that natural is more like on a bigger scale, because look, this is a big amount of hair. I don't know, at least for me, because I never had thick and healthy hair, so for me this is just a dream. I definitely wouldn't want to have 150 because I think it's too much, it's just crazy. The cap constructions, I have lace front cap construction, which is a budget-friendly option. They have 3 sizes options, or instead you can just provide your exact head measuring in the field special request, what I did. And the last one, you can choose between lightly bleached nodes and fully bleached nodes. Although fully nodes bleach can make the wig looks very natural, but deep bleaching will weaken the nodes and the hair will shed faster. I chose lightly bleached, and I wouldn't wish for better outcome. The knots are so small and they look very realistic, so I'm very happy with my choice. And now I'm going to show you a closer look on the monofilament part here. The lace top area gives a natural and seamless appearance, blending effortlessly with your skin or hair for a realistic look. Thanks to extended ear-to-ear lace front, you can do a beautiful updo. You can take the hair off your face in different styles, which gives you limitless possibilities with this wig. I would like to give you a closer look on this gorgeous hairline, and if you will able to see the lace on this wig, please comment, because I can't. This is an HD lace, which is super thin, super delicate, and which melts to the skin just beautifully. But what is also different for WigShe wigs is that they do pre-plucking of the hairline, which means that they gradually increase the density. So here on the start the density is lower, which makes it more natural. This is how our hairline grows, and then it gradually thickens. The baby hairs around the hairline add a nice touch, enhancing its natural appearance. I love this wig. I love this color, this density. Being able to fully customize your wig is pretty cool. You can choose everything, starting from the hair density and nose bleaching to a personalized cap size. So what I really love about this wig, that it's sitting on me just as a glove. This is truly custom made wig, and you do feel the difference between the average wigs you buy on the market and this, which is made specifically for you using your own measurements. I almost forgot to mention, I did an experiment with cutting lace on this wig. I cut half of the wig with pinking shears, special scissors which can make zigzag line, and the other part with regular scissors, and I'm going to make a video about it. I will attach it somewhere here, so if you were wondering what is the best scissors, you can just go and watch it. I guess that one of the cons is a need for styling your wig every time after a wash, since it's semi-human hair. This does require effort, but this con is quite insignificant and counts as a pro, because you are not limited to just one style. With this wig you have endless styling options, just like with your own hair. Although the initial cost might seem high for some, the price of this custom wig is actually quite reasonable when you consider the high quality semi-human hair and extensive customization options. Plus, to make it even better value, you can use my promo code RAISA for an additional 10% off. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click the like button, it means a lot to me. And of course, stay tuned for my next video. Bye!